Boy, may I tell you, the saga never end. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to examine a sad and true story. We raise serious questions about safety and crime in Jamaica. This story about a double murder involves a Canadian national, and I'm going to break it down for you. Now, this gentleman, a senior citizen man, retired, possibly, I'm not sure about that, but I would assume he's retired because he's a senior citizen, and decided to come home to Jamaica and enjoy himself for a little while and then go back home in the cold. Now, he's 61 years old and his name is Clayton Cook, and a 37-year-old cashier, Jem Cook, get brutally gunned down. The police say them was ambushed. The question is, why were they ambushed? Is it that they thought the man had money because he is a foreigner, or they after them for something else? So this is about 8:10 p.m. when Clayton leave Jem and go home. But Jem follow him for accompany him, because she lived there. So them going home. The pure audacity of the attack raised alarm about crime rates in this area. We not talk about just one tragedy, We're talking about the growing problem in Jamaica. How safe are the place for tourists or anybody really? When a Canadian citizen can lose them life in such a brazen attack, and them ask what the authorities do to ensure safety. Local residents hear the gunshot and alert the police. The response was quick, but unfortunately, by the time them arrived, both victims already dead, and they were pronounced dead when they were taken to the hospital. And guess what? The getaway car was found abandoned nearby. So it seems them operate with impunity, a concerning trend for sure. It's time we talk about accountability. The authorities need to take a hard look at the strategies in a place for crime prevention. We not talk about one incident. We are talking about the integrity of the justice system and community safety. People deserve to feel secure in them neighborhoods. Our thoughts go out to the Cook family and everybody get affected by this tragedy. What do you think the authorities can do to address the rise in crime? Let's have that discussion in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, the notification bell, to get more updates on the latest news. Stay safe, walk good.